So the biggest thing now are public motorcades as a way of celebrating schoolboy football titles. Kingston College, the winners of this year's Manning Cup, and of course, Clarendon College, this year's the Costa Cup champions, were at it with truck and bus and car through the city center and through the town square. But hey, personally, I think for teams like Kingston College and Clarendon College, who between them have won over 20 Manning Cup and the Costa Cup titles, motorcades are a little bit too much. We can understand a school that is winning its first title. But for schools like KC and CC that are steeped in the culture of winning, a motorcade is excessive. Remember that these are still amateur schoolboys who still have them schoolwork for do and should not be compared to the Manchester Cities or Real Madrid or Barcelona or France returning home with the World Cup trophy. I can't even remember seeing Premier League champion club in Jamaica having a motorcade, much less these schoolboys. And question, after the Olivier Shield final coming up on Saturday between CC and KC, which one of them will be having a second motorcade for the season? Will it be CC or KC? Will the second motorcade be in Chapelton in Clarendon, or will it be downtown Kingston? Well, a long time we don't see the Crystal Coconut. Crystal Coconut. Where are we going to see the next motorcade? Will it be in Clarendon or will it be in Kingston? Eh? Moby? No, it not work. It's a Moby.